Where is he?
Hi there. Have you seen my brother?
Hello, sir. How does he look?
He is about 20 years old, tall and thin, short brown hair, blue jeans.
Okay. Any other details?
Oh yes, he wears a very colorful and big hat.
Colorful hat sounds festive. That's a good clue.
Haha, yes. And a huge bag, almost like a small suitcase.
Oh my, that's easy to spot. Where did you last see him?
Near the food court, I think. Or maybe near the fountain.
I think I did see someone dragging a huge bag.
Where did he possibly go to?
Does your brother happen to like food?
Exactly. He loves ice cream the most.
Aha, look, there he is, sir. The hat is very bright, the bag is huge, and he's tall and thin. He is buying ice cream.
Oh, I found you, Alex. Over here, come on, man. You left me worrying for an ice cream.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Tall. Having more height than usual. Thin. Not fat, having a small body width. Colorful hat. A hat with many bright colors. Your listening question. What makes the brother easy to find? Answer. His colorful hat and huge bag make him easy to find. Is that my date?
Excuse me, can I ask you something?
Hello, what can I do for you today?
I am looking for a young and charming man, about 25.
That's a little vague. Can you tell me what he looks like?
Oh well, he is tall, a brunette, and, oh, I think he has blue eyes.
Anything else?
He may or may not wear a blue hoodie.
Wait, I think he is over there. A pretty tall and dark-haired man, right?
Oh yes, that's him. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Are you his sister?
No, I'm his date. I saw him on a dating app. We meet up for the first time today.
Oh, okay. Just so you know, your date is pretty popular. That charming man already has 2 other dates today.
What? Really? Oh my.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Brunette. A person, usually female, with dark brown or black hair. Popular. Liked or admired by many people. Charming. Attractive or pleasing in a way that makes people like you. Your listening question. Why does the barista think the young man is popular? Answer. Because he already has 2 other dates today. Beach hunt.
Emily, oh my god, have you seen Penny anywhere?
Not yet, Haley. I think she is wearing her quirky red t-shirt and denim shorts, right?
Oh no, that was yesterday's outfit. She must have changed this morning.
Are you sure? I saw her in a chic blue swimsuit and a sun hat this morning.
That was the outfit from last night's party. Oh my, don't you pay any attention to our friend.
Hey, if you kept an eye on her, we wouldn't be this confused now.
Oh, I just realized I do not remember what she is wearing today. I do not even recall walking with her to the beach.
Wait, maybe she is still sleeping.
Hold up, what if she is still in her room?
Oh no, could that be true?
Haha, Emily, I think we've been running around the beach for nothing.
I knew it. Penny hasn't even left her room yet.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Quirky. Unusual and attractive in an interesting or playful way. Chic. Stylish and fashionable. Denim. A strong, blue cotton fabric used for jeans or jackets. Your listening question. Where was Penny while Haley and Emily were searching? Answer. She was still in her room and hadn't come out yet. Stadium search.
Hey buddy, have you seen Mike? He said he would sit somewhere here.
I don't know, Uncle. Let's look for someone in a red shirt. He must be wearing the team uniform.
Oh yes, he's tall and blonde, right?
I see a guy in red, but he looks too thin to be Mike.
Haha, yes, maybe Mike has grown taller this year.
Wait, that one has glasses. Is that him?
Oh no, I think glasses make him look smarter than Mike.
Haha, this is confusing. So many people wearing red.
Keep looking, he is also wearing a cap and jeans.
Look there. Is that Mike? In the VIP row?
Haha, oh my, how did he get there? We are stuck down here.
I knew it. That's why he did not tell me about his seat.
We are going to have a lot to talk about this match.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Blonde. Hair color that is yellow or golden. Glasses. Lenses worn to correct or protect eyesight. Jeans. Pants made of strong cotton fabric, usually blue. Your listening question. Where was Mike sitting when his uncle and nephew finally found him? Answer. He was sitting in the VIP row. Professor, where are you?
Hey Alex, look into the teacher's room with me. Which one is Professor Brown? I need to ask him about the homework.
I think he is tall and a bit overweight with gray hair.
Oh my, that could be any professor here.
Well, he has glasses and a beard.
That still sounds like any professor ever.
We had his class this morning. I remember he wore a blue shirt and brown pants. Oh, and he carried a big leather bag.
Man, they all look the same.
I think we may have to ask every gray-haired man in this building.
I mean, we can just ask them to lead us to Mr. Brown.
Good idea. Let's choose this professor over there. Just hope he answers nicely.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Overweight. Heavier than the normal weight. Gray hair. Hair that is turning gray, usually with age. Beard. Hair growing on the chin and cheeks. Your listening question. How did Sam and Alex describe the professor when they tried to find him? Answer. They described him as tall, a bit overweight, with gray hair, glasses, a beard, and carrying a leather bag. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.